Right guys, this is the gift that keeps giving. This car, it's just something about this car. It just does not want to leave us. But I have uncovered, as the title suggests, an interesting situation with this car that we purchased from Copart. Bearing in mind, this car had had a front end collision. Front end damage, headlight, bonnet, grille, surrounds missing. We'd managed to speak to the previous owner who had confirmed, in fact, he had hit a deer. And as you can see, there's still deer in the headlight. There's bits of deer in the grills. And we did find bits of deer hair and stuff I won't go into in this vehicle. So we thought we had fixed this car. All done. Front end done. New front grille. New fog surround. New tyres. The wheels have been done. We've done everything that we wanted to do and my OCD was working with me. We even painted the calipers. Getting it painted. We put new brakes on the front. We've had the back bumper painted. And then the wife said, I'm going to take it down for MOT, but I can't hear any music. Well, that's strange. Obviously, I don't have the music on because of copyright issues when we're filming. Let's have a look to see what we found on this, guys. So, we know, if you come round, if I turn the ignition on, can you see the stereo is on? Down there, yeah? Nothing. Now we know what the problem is. Bearing in mind, this car has had a front end collision. Nothing to do with the rear. So, this is what we had on the vehicle when it came from Copart. So we immediately were concerned why all this was out in the car and why this had been ripped out the side here. And guess what we found, guys? The Bose amplifier. Now we know, judging by what we have found online, that to buy this Bose amplifier is £550. So, has somebody stolen the amplifier? Did the previous owner who hit the deer decide, I'm going to take the amplifier out because it's going to the salvage auction? Or did the car get to the salvage auction, somebody knows how much this amplifier is worth and has stolen it? Because in my head I'm thinking to myself, it's had a front end collision. This doesn't need to be all ripped out like this. Somebody knew about this Bose amplifier and it has been stolen. So this is the dilemma I'm facing. It's £550 for a new amplifier. I've been speaking to Simon over in Colchester and he has said to me, if you can get one that's not working, we can fix the amplifier. Still going to be a couple of £100 minimum. Or we go down the route of getting another head unit, cutting the cables to all the speakers and then wiring it into another head unit. So guys, and you know how we work, you know how we do things with these cars, they have to be right. And now I've got an issue because, as you'll see when we crunch the numbers in the next video, we're already negative. So what do? Do we keep going and become even further negative, or where do you draw the line? But what do you think, guys? Was this stolen? It's very, very odd, the fact that the car's had a front end, it's been lifted, it's gone to salvage, and the Bose amplifier's been stolen. Let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Stolen? Coincidence? Previous owner took it out? Let me know.